If you've been wondering whether the Temu FREE Gift actually works for both new and existing users, this video will clear it up, because online you'll hear two completely different things. Only works for new users, doesn't work anymore. But the reality in 2026 is a bit more nuanced. Before we get into it, I've placed the latest working Temu FREE Gift code right here on screen. It's also in the description and pinned comment, along with backup codes you can try if this one rotates. Does it work for new and existing users? Short answer, yes, but not in the same way. Temu runs different types of promotions depending on your account, according to how the system works. New users often get stronger initial offers. Existing users still get rewards, but under different conditions. New users, why? It feels easier. If you're a new user, Temu usually gives welcome rewards, easier entry into free gift events, higher visibility of promotions. Some offers even unlock automatically after account setup and verification. That's why you'll see people saying, "I got it instantly." Existing users, what changes? For existing users, the system shifts slightly. Temu focuses more on engagement, activity, referrals, repeat usage. In many cases, rewards are tied to actions like inviting users or participating in campaigns. That's why it can feel harder compared to new accounts. Why people think it doesn't work. This is where confusion happens. Two users try the same thing. One is new, sees rewards. One is existing, sees nothing. So the second person assumes it's fake, but in reality, they're just in different promotion flows. How the system actually works. Temu's free gift system is not random. It's a reward-based system designed to drive growth and engagement. That means rewards are real, but conditions apply. And those conditions change per user. Even referral programs play a big role in unlocking certain rewards. The real strategy, instead of thinking, does it work or not? Think like this. What version of the system am I in? Because new users equals easier entry. Existing users equals more conditions. Both equals still eligible. Final takeaway. Temu FREE Gift in 2026 works for new users, works for existing users, but not equally, and not automatically. If you want to try it yourself, use the code on screen, follow the correct steps, and see how your account responds. And I'm genuinely curious. Are you a new user or existing user? Did it work for you or not? Drop your experience in the comments.